Hello and welcome back to another episode of Varley Rebuilds. Today I'm going to be dyeing the roof liner black plus the A-pillars. Keep on watching because you can find out what to do or not what to do. Not what to do. Keep on watching. Ride or die. I keep well on my side. CJ Ike. Now I gotta ride or die. That's first coat done. Very patchy at the moment, and it's easy to sort of blob it on. A bit like there. So it's quite difficult to spray evenly. I did have an opportunity to take it to a spray booth and somebody spray it for me, but that'll be cheating because not everybody's got that opportunity. So that first coat took about 2/3 of the bottle from a half-litre bottle, and that's how it's come out. Obviously that's not how it's going to finish, but I've just got to let that dry for 10 minutes and then do another coat. Right, okay, 10 minutes have gone by and now for the second coat. Okay guys, that is the second coat that's gone on now. It's actually coming out pretty well. Close up, it's actually coming out quite well. It looks a bit patchy because it's drying, so give that another 10 minutes and we'll go with the third coat. Okay, another 10 minutes has gone by. That's the second coat dried now. Time for the third coat. Okay, what I'm actually going to do today is I'm going to apply another coat of dye to the roof liner. It's come out really well, but there's just a couple of spots here that I'm going to do another coat on, see if I can, just to see if I can get rid of them. If not, then I'll live with that. I'm happy with that. Then I've got to do the A-pillar trims. Okay, so the next thing to do is to spray all these trims. So I'm going to have to get that out of there. That's fine, just cover up that. I'll take that out. Take the lights out. I can spray that up quite. These ones here, they should spray. I want to mask these bits off so that remains. I think they will spray in the same way because I'm pretty sure that's still plastic. We'll have to take them out and spray them separately. Grab handles, not too sure about them. I mean, they'll spray fine, not a problem. It's just the bits where, like that bit, the hinge bit. I don't know how the paint's going to stick to that, but give it a go, see what happens. that's everything set up. All my trims are a little bit scuffed up. Clean them afterwards as well. I've tried to keep everything left and right. First coat done, got my little heater going just to dry that for the next 10-15 minutes, and then I'll start applying a second coat. This isn't a how-to video, but it's just more of a video to show changing the interior from this whatever colour to black, but hopefully you'll see the end result on this, and it may inspire you to do the same. Okay, so these have had about 3 or 4 coats. Same with the grab handles. When I take them on, I have to do another coat from behind, and then the sun visor mirrors, just masked off the inside, screwed them there so I can turn it. Masked off the airbag labels as well. I don't know how well these will turn out because it seems like a bit of a softer plastic, but I'll spray them and see how it goes. Also need to start spraying the trims all black. Once I've done that, start building up the interior, putting the back seats in and the front seats in, because all these bits and trims and stuff, I can get them in with the seats in anyway, so I'll start spraying them black. Okay, while the bits of plastics and roof lining are drying inside, I'm going to start building up the seats on the inside. I don't particularly need these out to start building the rest of it up, but I need to carry on while they're drying, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, that's the back seats in. Now just for the front seats. What I'm also going to do as I'm getting the roof liner in, I've got a hot glue gun and I'm just going to stick this back down to the roof liner as best as I can so it doesn't rattle around. Also with the washer pipe, or the rear washer tubes.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same.
Right, okay, so I've just got the roof lining in, so I've set the wiring to roughly where it goes. So that's where the receiver goes, all the wiring, pokes the lighting wiring and connectors through the holes. So now it's roughly where it is. I can start to glue it back down. There you go, that's all stuck down. I'm quite happy with that. So for now I'm just going to leave the roof liner down like that, because until I get some of the trims in, it won't actually support it up. So once they're all dry, I can start putting all the other trims in. So probably have to wait until tomorrow for that.
Fired up like a wolf on a full moon, and we're stuck in a la-la land. The tides will turn without us, and I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good
One thing I've just realised is I've bolted the seat belts on and not put the trims on, so I'm going to have to unbolt them.
And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mash me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord.
Yeah, my battery went flat. Sorry about that. I'm just going to pretend I'm going to put this in. Simple as that.
And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding.
Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like and subscribe.